Hello, gorgeous. Hi. It's been a while. I know. So today I have the May BoxyCharm premium box to unbox for you guys. If you want to see what I got in my May box, then you stay tuned. Hello. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm filming late at night, so, but I had to get caught up. I've missed you guys. Anyway, so, BoxyCharm May Premium Box. I know we're into June. We're in the beginning of June, but I got my boxes kind of late, and I haven't had time to film, so here we are. The theme for May was Flourish. There we are. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then I have my card that tells me everything I got. And you know what? Like you can pick 2 of your items now from the premium boxes. And I don't remember what I picked, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to figure it out really quick. Oh, and you know what? Now I do. Okay. So my first item in here is one of my items that I picked. It's the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar. Which retails for $65. So this is one of those high-end skincare brands. So this is what it looks like here. Very pretty packaging. I love the packaging on this. And I think I can smell it already. I smell something in here. It smells like florally, minty kind of. Ooh, this jar is beautiful. Look at this. It's a glass jar. Oh, okay. She was ready to come out and greet me. Oh, this is weird. So I had like some liquid just like spill out. Okay. Yep. Just like that. Some liquid spill out on me. It's very oily, but it looks like it's jelly in there too. Look. Can you see that? So there's like oil and gel. That's weird. I might have to like mix it up. It doesn't smell like anything I've ever really smelled before. So there's some of it on my finger. I don't know. It doesn't smell like flowers. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know, guys. This one's got me stumped. Like, I expected it to be floral since it was like tulip nectar, blossom, whatever. And I don't get that. It's got oil in it for sure. And then this is just really wet and sticky. Can you see how shiny that is on my hand? It's very oily. So if you don't like oily stuff, holy cow, a little goes a long way. Like we're getting my whole arm here. Making the tattoo shiny. It smells like weird, but not in a bad way weird. Just in a way that I have no idea how to reference it. But it's so oily, you guys. Very oily. So if you don't like oily stuff, you're not going to like this stuff. I don't mind because my skin is so dry. But yeah, like my hands are greasy, oily. So is my arm. You can see how oily it is. That's so different. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. Anyway, that's $65. I love the packaging though. This packaging is like to die for. And the bottom here, that's the color of the stuff inside. So I wonder if that part's, oh, it is clear. Huh. Now the jar's all oily. I'm having a hard time hanging on to it. And my second item on here is the second item I chose, which was the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. Now, from what I understood, you could use this as an eyeshadow, as a liquid eyeshadow, or as a primer base for eyeshadow too. So I got a lighter color Here's the one that I got. Let me show you the color down at the bottom. You can see the color here. That's the color I got, which was Cocoa Dream. Now, most of Too Faced stuff smells like chocolate, so we're gonna... That doesn't smell like chocolate. I don't know what that smells like. I'm so oily. Let's do right here. So it's pretty light. So I can definitely use this for like an eyeshadow base. Oh, wrong way. So yeah, that's what I got. And it does not smell like chocolate. I'm kind of disappointed. Melted chocolate matte eyeshadow. Okay. So I'm going to give it a try as an eyeshadow base and see how well it works. I will let you guys know. I've gotten all these tattoos now. I've run out of places to, I used to like on this arm, I used to swatch stuff, but I can't now. So I'm going to have to move to this arm, which is weird because I can't, it's hard for me to swatch with my left hand. You know, problems. So this retails for $21 and I don't think I would pay that, but you know, to each their own. Next is Otocite BL plus C Pimpleless. Oh my god, it's pimples. Pimples Black Cumin and Kajput Serum Concentrate. I don't know what that is. So it's this. Black Cumin. What is that? It's CAJEPUT. What is that? Is that like a fruit? Is it like a, what is it? Never heard of that in my life. Oh, how cute. It's in a little bottle. So you can see that it's a dark bottle, which is great because anytime that it has like vitamin C or anything like that, sun exposure causes the vitamin C and stuff to break down and certain other ingredients to break down. So it's in a dark bottle. I like that. My hands are oily. It's hard for me to open stuff. So it's like a yellow serum. You can see. Wow. Okay, that's kind of potent there. That has some potency to it. So it's oily. It's oily. Just put oil on top of oil. We're doing great today, guys. Doing great. That's really powerfully strong. Maybe it's the black cumin. That has some oomph to it. Oof. Formulated especially for problem skin, this potent serum helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. Okay, well, I don't typically get blemishes, but that's fine. It's so concentrated that 2 to 3 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Black cumin oil helps purify the skin and promotes a more smooth and clear appearance. This other thing that I can't pronounce, Kajput, I don't know, supports a fresh and clean complexion, visibly free of blemishes. And this little bottle of stuff is $36. That's a lot of money for this small of a bottle. I mean, but if it works like they say it works, it's probably worth it. Next up on our list here, we have Bite Beauty Agave Daytime Lip Balm. Okay, so here we are. It's cute packaging. And this retails for $16, which is a lot for a lip balm. And the packaging is cute. It's black, soft matte packaging. Smells sweet. And just a lip balm though. It kills me how expensive they can make some of these. Like, I just don't understand. $16 for a lip balm. I'm glad I got it in my box, but I would never pay that. Next up, we have LaRousse Beauty On The Go Set. Okay, that's this bougie looking package right here. Okay, it's a brush set. I have some brushes from them. I think I got a eye brush set from them, and I really, really liked them. It's super soft. Very, very soft. Is this a foundation brush? 3-piece, comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour. A powder brush for highlight or blush, which would be this one. This is our foundation brush. This is our highlight or blush brush. My hands are still oily. It's hard to pull the packaging out here. That's really soft. And then a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or brows. So then we have an angle brush here. It's soft but dense, so that's good. I got hairs coming off mine. And this retails for $96 for 3 brushes. Y'all are playing with me. I swear I have some other brushes from them, but I think I got them in BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something like that too. $96. I definitely wouldn't pay $96 for 3 brushes. I wouldn't pay $96 for an entire brush set. I don't know about all that. Okay. And then our last item is the Luxe and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. And I got these last month. And I think it was, I don't know, premium probably. So I have 2 sets of these now. So I'll probably put these in a giveaway. You know, I like the concept and the idea of them. You know, the bag, you put them back in to wash them in the bag. They're reusable. It saves from using makeup wipes and waste and all of that. And I totally understand it. But I literally just got these last month. And BoxyCharm did send me an email before I even got my box. And they were like, hey, we noticed we gave you a repeat item. Here's $12 for pop-up or whatever. So, I mean, I got $12, but still, you know, I got a repeat item, which they don't typically do a lot though. So it's forgivable every now and then. And they did try to make it right by, you know, giving me money to spend on pop-up, which I usually always buy stuff on pop-up anyway. So that was the last item in my box, and those are worth $20, which again, I probably wouldn't pay $20 for, although they are reusable and it's good for the earth. So I don't know. That's an iffy thing for me. I might have purchased something like this, you know, but this one's going to go in a giveaway. So premium box. What do you guys think? I'm kind of like on the fence about this stuff, you guys. Like, I'm so oily right now. I don't know if I want to put this on my face. What does it say it does? This healing ointment. Okay, so it's an ointment. No wonder. No wonder it's weird. Ointment to serum hydrator soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. I probably need to use this. Powered by a proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth-sourced botanicals. Apply it anywhere your skin needs extra love. Oh. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. So anywhere. So yeah, I put it on my hands, and I'm telling you, my skin looks really good there. Like, my tattoo is really dark. It's darker. It looks really nice. And it does feel like really moisturized. But if you're one of those people that does not like oily things, you're not going to enjoy this at all. I'm going to definitely try it out though. Like on my elbows in the wintertime. Holy cow. So So that's it. That's my premium box for the month of May. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get something different? Did you get something the same? Do you like the stuff in there? How are your boxes? Are your boxes different? Let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Talk to me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, yeah, I just said that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just do it. Just do it. It would mean the world to me. As always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.